I'm Maruf with you. After many days, today I want to show you how to remove iCloud account without password. See this iPhone 7 Plus, where forget my password. Now need to turn off. See, I don't have password. I forget my password. Now I'm working with unlock tool. Okay, this is unlock tool. Now Penjo put in USB cable, need to DFU mode. Sorry. DFU mode okay, Penjo okay. Now see there, this is iOS version 15. Now boot RAM disk. See this one, RAM disk is okay. Now fix to mount to there, fix mount to, I click on fix mount to, mount data is okay. Now see there, hidden iCloud, sing out my iCloud. Wait and see. My work is done. Wait and see. See there? Seeing out iCloud. Okay. Just click sing out. Sing out. Sing out. totally done. We are totally done. Okay.